Hello guys, welcome back to another video. How are you today? So today our topic is about nzxt.com. So we'll discuss about again, it's our third topic here and the third website here for build a custom PC. How we can purchase a direct custom PC without reaching out at the shop and the trusted custom PC providers. Will discuss about these things here today. So this is the website nzxt.com. You can reach out this website. So let's check out and explore this website. The main things are here: gaming PCs, components, monitors, peripherals, software, and community. Peripheral, you know that the keyboard, mouse are the peripheral devices here. Capture cards, keyboard, microphone, and we'll discuss about today mouse, keyboard here. So what type of keyboard or mouse they are providing? Function modular, mechanical keyboard here. So these keyboards and their prices are mentioned here. We can purchase out these keyboards with the dark, lighter colors, USA, English, ANSI functions. Basically these keyboards are different, having different categories due to the USA type is keyword quality. So we can just modify them, not modify them, just we can purchase directly from the website according to our need. If we want to do designing, we have to choose a keyboard according to our designing purpose. So these are the keyboards here. Function USA, English keyboard, ANSI in $129.99 here, $109.99 here is also a function. 10 keyless US English ANSI. So this one is a nicer keyboard here. We can purchase out this one also. They are also provided the video of that keyboard here, which is quite nicer. So we can build it nzxt ready to configure a perfectly customized function keyboard for any and all species. 2-year warranty here. Not only does our 2 years warranty covers all parts and the labor, but all award-winning customers service team is also here to help with any issue. Fast build service here with the BLD. You save the time waiting for each component to arrive and the times to take the build on your own. So this one is a nicer website where you can purchase out all the things like your gaming chair, your LCD or LED in a same theme. You can purchase it. A PC or a gaming room looks nicer when you purchase all the things in a same theme, like your room walls are having a nicer color or same color like your gaming chair. It seems like nicer because due to a better setup here. So we'll discuss about a gaming performance or gaming PCs here. We can build different gaming PCs with the different strategies. If we need a PC for designing purpose, we can check out these PCs here. Player 1 PC, player 2 PC, player 3 PC at 7 flow, and PCs at flow PC. So let's check out these PCs here. You can check out the pre-built PCs here. Gaming with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti, up to 4x performance with the DLSS3, up to 2x ray tracing performance with 4070 Ti. Now recent graphic card is launched for 14.9. Can say that, and we can use that graphic card in our build for a better performance or for a beast performance. So this one is a nicer here performance. If we wanna for FPS and in a GTA Grand Theft, so we can choose this PC here. we can also customize this PC in Intel or AMD. So let's check this one. If we wanna get AMD, we'll get extra FPS here. Sorry, Intel is providing extra FPS here. We'll choose this one. So our budget, we can say that it's a maximum budget here, and the minimum budget is $1,500. So we'll maximize, and we wanna do this one on a 1440p, so the FPS will also drop there. Let's check out this one, continue this build. We tried a beast gaming PC here. They provide us, we can customize our keyboards, motherboards here, or also we can customize our GPU here. They suggested us motherboard MSI MPG Z790 Caribbean Wi-Fi DDR5, and a GPU they suggested us NVIDIA G4 RTX 4080 ASUS tough gaming PC here. We can customize this one here, RTX 4060 here, 4070 here, 40. We can also purchase RX 7900, so 4080 here. We have to just purchase this graphic card in a $371. It's not a higher price, but we have to choose a 4060 Ti dual OC 8G VR. So let's check this one here. Okay, we choose this graphic card 4060, but that's not a nicer idea here. We can just add this one 4090 graphic card. I love this one graphic card. It's a nicer for and a beast gaming PC. So let's move on to next one. There are the monitors here. We can purchase any type of monitor like 4K 144 Hz monitor here. MSI Optics MAG 281 URF 27 inches monitor here. This one is nicer here. So let's take a nicer look on the next one thing. Peripherals also here. We can purchase all these things that we can add to our card, these all things. So summary here, we can check out the summary, how much price is becoming after collecting these all things here. Performance is nice. Subtotal is $4,242 here. Estimated shipping, we can check out 23rd. It's I think so 19, and they'll provide they'll ship to our country, to our place in just 2 days. So guys, this one is a nicer website here according to a PC build. I'll see you next one video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.